In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Explain Everything to insert images into a project. First thing I'm going to do is just tap on the plus button. I've got various choices where I can get my media from. I'm actually going to use one of my recent files down at the bottom there. Now, the element of this image that I'm particularly interested in is the basketball itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to crop it, click Apply, and now I'm going to use something called Instant Alpha. Once I've selected a tool, I can drag across the colours that I want to remove by making them transparent. And when I'm happy that I've removed a sufficient amount, I can click Apply. I'm now going to go back to the basketball just to crop it again. And that's done, so ready to go into my project. With the hand tool, I can then move that. Going back to insert a new image, this is another image that I already had. You'll see here the Instant Alpha tool doesn't work quite as well because the basketball player's hair colour is very similar to that of the stand behind her. So we're going to do something slightly different here. By choosing the Lasso tool on the left-hand side of the screen, I'm actually able to go around the area that I'm interested in keeping. So you can see that I've done this. When I click Apply, I've now removed the background and now I've got my basketball player over the ball. To bring the ball to the front, I need to tap on the inspector icon and then on the ball. From the menu that appears and in the Arrange tab, I can now select to bring it to the front. Once it's been brought to the front, I can resize and reposition the basketball, putting it into the correct position. You'll notice that the objects aren't grouped. To group them together, I need to triple tap the one at the front. So there we go, and now you'll see having tapped the basketball, the player and the ball are linked. If I want to ungroup them, I can go back to the inspector, edit, and then I just tap on ungroup. And I can press on group to regroup them.